Hey there, folks. Today we're talking about a recipe for a turmeric cough remedy. Turmeric can help reduce inflammation caused by bronchitis, while honey soothes coughing and loosens mucus. This remedy is safe for children, but should not be given to babies under 1 year old. What you'll need is 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, and 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. All right, let's get started. Step 1. Boil the water. Heat the water until it boils, then pour it into a mug. Step 2. Mix the ingredients. Add the turmeric, honey, and lemon juice to the mug. Stir well until everything is fully mixed. Step 3. Cool and drink. Let the mixture cool down to a safe temperature before drinking. Drink on an empty stomach 3 times a day until your symptoms improve. That's it for today, folks. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more amazing natural remedies. And hey, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts or your own tips.
Cowboy cures where life endures. Natural paths open doors. With nature's hand, we'll show you the way to live life better day by day.